An apple a day keeps the doctor away. But there's more to a healthy life and longevity than just an apple a day. The saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, is a well known English proverb that's been around since the 19th century. Its exact origin is unclear, but it's thought to have originated in Wales, where it was first recorded in the 1860s. As for the medical facts behind the saying, there is some truth to it. Apples are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants, all of which have been linked to a lower risk of chronic disease, such as heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Fiber is particularly important for digestive health, as it keeps your digestive system regular and can lower your risk of developing conditions such as constipation and diverticulitis. Vitamin C is important for immune functions and has been shown to help reduce the severity and duration of colds and other respiratory infections. Antioxidants are compounds that protect your cell from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Apples contain several different types of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids. Despite the many benefits of eating apples, there are no adverse reactions to following this advice, as long as you don't have any specific allergies to apples. However, it's important to remember that an apple alone cannot provide all the necessary nutrients your body needs. It is important to maintain a balanced and varied diet to ensure optimal health. Here are some additional fruits and vegetables that will aid in a healthy diet and possibly a longer life. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is essential for optimal health and longevity. Here are some examples of fruits and vegetables that are particularly beneficial. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain cancers. Examples include strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also a good source of dietary fiber and have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also a good source of dietary fiber and have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and cognitive decline. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants. They have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, kidney stones, and certain types of cancer. Apples. As we mentioned earlier, apples are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants and have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Avocado. Avocados are high in healthy fats, fiber, and several important vitamins and minerals. They have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. They have also been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and cognitive decline. These are just a few examples of the many fruits and vegetables that can help you maintain good health and longevity. It is important to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to ensure that you are getting all the nutrients your body needs. You may also be wondering, is there one fruit or vegetable that stands out in its benefits as an aid to health and longevity. It's difficult to point out just one fruit or vegetable as standing out in its benefits for health and longevity, as a variety of fruits and vegetables offer different health benefits. However, some researchers have suggested that cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli may have particularly powerful health benefits. Cruciferous vegetables contain compounds called glucosinolates, which are broken down into biological active compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These compounds have been linked to a lower risk of several types of cancer, including lung, prostate, and colon cancer. In addition to their cancer-fighting properties, cruciferous vegetables are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. While it is important to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables for optimal health and longevity, incorporating more cruciferous vegetables into your diet may be a particularly good idea. Other examples of cruciferous vegetables include cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. So to sum it all up, to stay healthy and increase longevity, it's important to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables. Yes, some types may have more benefits than others, but all are important, including an apple a day. Stay safe. Stay secure. Stay healthy to enjoy life. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.